What makes Heatwell different from other underfloor heating companies? One reason we're different is because we use fiberglass mesh to protect the wires, as well as adding extra strength to the self-leveling compound. It also ensures that the wires stay flat on the floor and don't float up. This means we can use less of the self-leveling compound, so we don't build the floor up by much. The floor height will only increase by a maximum of 4 mm, provided that the floor was reasonably flat and level to start with. The mesh comes in these big rolls. That's why after the installer cuts it, he flips it over. This is to ensure that it stays flat and doesn't curl up. To make sure every part of the wire is covered, we overlap the mesh by a small amount to ensure full protection everywhere. In this install, we're using Technocola's Plan 10 self-leveling compound, which we mix with 6.5 litres of water per bag. Each brand of self-leveling compound has a different water-to-powder ratio. Then we mix it together until the consistency is smooth. When it's all been mixed together, we simply just pour it onto the wired area and screed it all over the room, making sure we have an even application. The finished product provides the floor installer with a uniform and strong substrate to work over. It's a simple extra step, but it makes a big difference towards the quality of our installs.